to dress fancy when you're a teen. You know, Aspen likes to wear a lot of hoodies, leggings, athleisure, which is the trend. So when you have to dress fancy, when your mother says, we're going to dinner or we're going to church, what are you gonna wear? Right? Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. I am with my daughter. This is Aspen. She is helping me out on my teen series because she is a teen. Let's say you're going out to dinner and your mom says you need to dress fancy. Something that's very easy to do for teens because they're not often that comfortable, or you guys aren't often that comfortable dressing up. It's not something you do every day. I get it. Why would you? Aspen's not cruising around in a sheer top and, black jeans all the time and booties. She's in sneakers. So something easy that you guys can do is one color, first of all, is a very simple trick. So you keep it black or gray. Monochromatic, she's got it. Monochromatic is a very simple way to look dressed up. One of the trends out there for teens is actually sheer fabrics. So we found this top actually in like a little skate store called Zoomies. It was Zoomies, right?
Zoomies.
Yeah, Zoomies. Go see if you can find any sheer top. You'd be on trend. Long sleeve, short sleeve. We paired it with a tank top underneath, obviously jeans, and a pair of plain black booties. Do you feel comfortable?
Would you pair this with a leather jacket?
Yeah.
Leather jacket.
Or even a cardigan. If it's somewhere really dressy, you could throw on a blazer. I have a lot of these items in my wardrobe. If you don't, just go buy something economical. There's lots of places out there that are very affordable. So for fancy look number 2, Aspen and I found
a super cute baby doll dress and floral. It's a trend.
And it's easy to wear. It's a baby doll. And so when you are a teen or you're buying for a teen to go to a fancy event, it's an easy dress to wear because it's not body conscious. They can throw it on and they can still style it with sneakers, which Aspen has done. This one has long sleeves. She'll be totally comfortable at any event, at a wedding, and it's totally acceptable. If it's a day dress, she can wear sneakers. If she's going to a wedding, we could put on flats. Do you like this?
I do.
Do you feel comfortable?
Yeah. Loose, flowy.
Mm-hmm. For our third teen fancy look, I again stuck with the same monochromatic tone. It's something that I love to do, and I especially love to do it with my younger clients. Let's say it's spring, summer, and I'm taking my teen, or Aspen's going to like a fancy barbecue, a more casual dinner. This is perfectly acceptable for her to wear. So I've just chosen a pair of skinny jeans, plain slide-on shoes, and actually these were Aspen's choice. I was like, well, we can get wrap sandals, or we can do this. She was like, no, I want to slide my foot in, which seems to be like the teen thing. It just has to be easy. This shirt I actually found on a summer sale on Shopbop. I bought it for myself, and then I realized how cute it looked on her, and it's a super easy. It's a dressed up t-shirt. So basically Aspen's still casual, but still looks really classy, and so it's a very easy teen fancy outfit. How do you feel about this look?
I really like it. The jeans. I love jeans. Favorite thing to wear ever.
Yeah.
I really like this top because it's very loose. It's not
Tight.
limiting.
Yeah. And then how do you feel about the ruffles? Because you're not really a ruffle person.
Don't mind them.
Yeah. It's pretty good. I think when you keep everything very minimalistic, that's the key, is that if I had put her in if this top had flowers and was ruffled, way over the top for her. Plain white and ruffled, she can do it. So just something to think about if you are a teen or you're dressing a teen, you want to keep it simple. That's the best thing, and comfortable. Comfortable is going to be the key.
Keep it simple, stupid.
Which she actually said to me today. So that's our theme for dressing teens. But anyway, I think it's a great look. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope that you guys enjoyed our ideas for fancy teen looks. We had fun making it. Did you like all of these outfits?
Loved them. If you want to see more of me, subscribe. That red subscribe button down below.
See you guys there. And today we are talking about how to dress fancy when you have a teen or when you are a teen.
Sorry, I just had a yawn.
Get all of her yawns from this and put them at the end for bloopers.
I'm gonna yawn.
And just
That's it? Oh.
there's lots of places out there that are very affordable, and you can just buy.
Sorry.
What? Is that like a nervous response? Your yawn?
No, I'm not nervous. I'm just. I really want to yawn, but you keep on stopping me.
I don't know why she's so tired. It's only 10:30 in the morning.
No.
Okay.
No.
Whatever you want.
Okay. So,